Welcome back, Crypto Flow community. If you are looking for some Telegram crypto groups, then I got to tell you guys right now that this is going to be the perfect website to go to. I actually found this website and I was like, hey, this is pretty interesting. And I would definitely love to share this with my viewers. So we're going to be talking about these Telegram crypto groups just briefly. More importantly, you guys, you need to check out the links down below. All right, so dive right into it. You guys will see right here that they are the best of all Telegram crypto groups of 2024. So basically we got list includes, we got blockchain, we got crypto, ICO, airdrops, Bitcoin, Ethereum, cryptocurrency, token sales, exchange, signals, pump, Binance, KuCoin, wallet. We got mining, dApps. We got smart contracts, price analysis, these channels in trading groups, crypto and altcoin, chill in Telegram groups for crypto and Bitcoin, best channels for signals in Telegram, updated daily with a number of channel users. They have the best crypto groups for free shilling your project about Bitcoin, ICO, literally everything. All right, so you guys can definitely understand that. You guys will actually see it right here that basically when you go to the website, you can search if you'd like to, but you can even see right here that technically you can click on each of the categories to filter crypto groups on Telegram. So basically, if you have a certain thing that you like, for example, bots, you can click on that. Or if you like to, community channels, or if you like airdrops. I'm a big fan of airdrops, to believe it or not. So, but you guys will see right here, we got a lot of different descriptions, right? So you can just kind of scroll down and see that they do offer many different ones. So for example, we got the description right here. We got DeFi Million. So technically this is the best 1000% on DeFi Signals Telegram crypto channel. DeFi Million is a decentralized Telegram channel for investors and traders, which is actually pretty cool. And you guys will see right here, they literally have over 360,000 members. And right here, we got what is known as ICO Speaks News channel in Telegram for cryptocurrency news, AMA session announcement, airdrops, as well as marketing and token pre-sales. Largest crypto pump and dump channel, join ICO Speaks, right? You can see right here, they have a massive amount of users as well. And you guys will see right here, we got the best Telegram crypto group for signals, AMA session, airdrops, altcoin pre-sales, and airdrops, right? So that is ICO Speaks. So the first one was ICO Speaks News, right? And this one is just ICO Speaks. So you guys can see right here that we got a lot of followers, right? Which is good. And you guys can even see right over here, as stated at the very top, you can just kind of add like different tags or filters that you would like to click on for different categories. And they actually show up right here as well, which is good. So next we got what is known as ICO listing. You can actually list your project and share all the benefits with investors. They will create an amazing hype around your project and they'll discuss it, right? So this group is perfect for signals and Telegram, news about ICOs, right? And relative crypto projects who are looking for fundraising and startup, right? That's actually pretty good, right? So I like that. So you can see right here, massive amount of users, right? Or followers, I guess I should say. And we got what is known as BTC Champ, is a group for crypto traders in Telegram. They trade BTC against ETH and BTC against USDT and other altcoins. So you'll be able to find useful news and post here, which is good. So after that, we got Crypto Evolution. So all news about cryptocurrencies in one place, round the clock, operational and automatic updating. Then after that, we got Bitcoin Traffic, only fresh news from the world of cryptocurrencies, lightning fast publications, one of the best traffic channels. I like that, okay? So I'm actually a big fan, especially whenever it comes to learning about Bitcoin news, because that definitely kind of dictates the entire market, right, of cryptocurrency. But you guys will see right here, we have what is known as IEO polls. This is pretty cool as well. So technically follows the latest news, pre-sales, airdrops, signals, promotion, right? So IEO listing and marketing. And we got ICO Speaks channel, right? So kind of the same as the other ones, but you guys can see right here. It's a channel live since ICO hype. Means channel is good to watch. New token sales. Also AMA announcements, right? If you like AMAs and want to earn rewards, ICO Speaks news for you. And after that, we got what is known as ICO Advisor. So one of the best Telegram crypto channels to advise you with a project to invest or token to buy, right? So I actually, just to tell you guys really quick, I actually joined one of these groups a long time ago, and I actually found the cryptocurrency known as Injective. And I actually got in, you guys, when that thing was at like $5 and it pumped up all the way to 40. I was definitely rewarded from a group like this. Now, obviously, crypto's dumb, so it's back down to like $15. But you guys will see right here. I definitely made a lot. But you guys will see right here. Welcome to a Crypto Solution, right? So follow the latest news, pre-sales, airdrop, signal, promotion. Then after that, we got Coins Capital. So for traders and investors in the blockchain industry, they got daily updates and fresh news. Then we got Chat GPT News Channel, which is all about artificial intelligence in the cryptocurrency market, right? With artificially created news every single day, or let's say artificially, yeah, I guess that's right. So stay with them and you can be updated every day. Then we got Bitcoin Mansory, right? Mansory, I guess I should say. So Telegram crypto channels for everyone who are looking the best content in crypto world, okay? Then we got ICO Speaks RU, so obviously that's another language, right? Russian. And we got MetaBoost. So good job. Now click Telegram icon and contact MetaBoost. Okay. So yeah, you guys will see right here that they do have all the little Telegram logos. So literally, once you check out the website, find the one that you like, and you're going to be able to basically just click join, right? I'm going to tell you guys right now that technically they're tracking more than, say, 1,000 plus top crypto shilling Telegram groups with a total of literally over 5 million subscribers, you guys, followers, right? Members, okay, which is great. So you can even see right here for marketing, if you have a marketing project that you'd like to use for this site, you can click right here, which is good. And you can even see it's legit. They got an address, email, opening hours, everything like that, which is great. All right, now scrolling down, you'll see right here, FAQ, what is the best Telegram crypto signals group? Well, you can see right there, ICO Speaks, how quickly to find a crypto group on Telegram. You know, what are crypto signals Telegram, or what are free crypto Telegram groups? What is the largest Telegram group channel, right? Or crypto group? What is the best crypto signals group in Telegram? What is the best channel in Telegram for promoting a project? How much do VIP signals cost, right? You guys can see that right there. What are the best, or let's say, what are Bitcoin Telegram chats about, right? What are the best Bitcoin Telegram chats about? How to use Telegram groups for crypto marketing. Does Telegram have a cryptocurrency? How to use, right? It just kind of continues, right? So you guys can see right here, there's just a lot of important details, right? So information sharing for promotions, community, and you guys can just kind of dive down into this. But I want you guys to understand that this is a great place to go to. And technically, if you click right here for promo, you guys will actually see they got a lot of cool stuff, right? So you guys will see right here, provides all the things. They actually have a price. So for example, let's say you have a project and we'd like to promote your project in one of these Telegram groups. They actually provide the price right here, which is actually really good. They even have AMA sessions. That's over $1,000, right? They got more services. You can contact them, you guys. So a big opportunity, as stated. This is cool. I have to admit, I like it, and I think it provides a lot of value. Like I stated, if you're new to crypto, if you're experienced, if you love brand new projects, if you're like a person who's looking for, AMAs, if you're looking for airdrops like me, I love airdrops. I've been part of these before, right? Which is great. So you guys are more than welcome to join these. So check out the link down below and do not miss out Crypto Flow Community.